In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track reply rates kit. Tracking reply rate is a simple way to measure how your audience is responding to a broadcast email. This process uses the sending platform to find how many recipients were sent the message, and then your email inbox to count how many people replied. Since replies are not always shown as a single number inside the broadcast report, you will calculate the rate manually. Take your time here because accuracy matters. Start by going into your sending tool and clicking Send. From there, click Broadcasts. This is where you can view the emails you have sent out as broadcasts. Find the specific broadcast you want to measure, and click on it. After you open the broadcast, continue to the Share or Reporting view where the sent message details are available. Next, look for the name of a sent email. You want to be sure you are viewing the correct email, especially if you have multiple broadcasts with similar titles. Once you are in the right place, locate the recipients, sometimes labeled as total sent. This number is the total count of people who were sent that broadcast. Make a note of it, because you will use it as the denominator for your reply rate. Now switch over to your email inbox, where replies to that broadcast would arrive. Manually count the replies that came in from that specific email. When you count, focus only on direct replies related to the broadcast you are measuring. If your inbox groups messages into threads, be careful not to double count multiple messages from the same person unless you are intentionally counting total reply messages. For a clean reply rate, most people count unique responders, so you may want to scan the sender names as you count and keep your method consistent each time. Once you have your two numbers, divide the number of replies by the number of recipients. The result is your reply rate. If you want it as a percentage, multiply that number by 100. Record the rate somewhere you can reference later, so you can compare performance across different broadcasts. That covers everything you need to know.